This is a video of some additional features of the JSRevolution framework. Our framework is so feature-rich that we can't possibly show you all of the features. So to arrange for your own personal demonstration, please visit www.omnistation.com.
In this video, we're discussing other features of the framework. So here we have basically your HTML page that loads the framework. And here's where the framework is actually loaded. And we're identifying a module to load. And you'll notice that there isn't an onReady, so it's how do we actually start executing. Well, we'll go down the path here. So we're loading this module, testExamples.example module. And here's the module, testExamples.example module. And here's our other features. So we have testExamples, other features.example. And that is this class. So here you'll notice that there's a property execute, and it's been set to true. What that does is it identifies that in this class, you will have a main function that you will provide, and that when this class is loaded, all of its resources will have been previously loaded, and this will automatically be executed for you. So you always know your entry points for code that gets executed. So the other examples here, we're going to basically be going through a couple other things that haven't been shown in other videos. So we'll set a couple breakpoints here, and we will go through them. So here, initially, we're going to create a number of objects. We've gone through how objects are created and covered inheritance in other videos. So I would suggest if you're wondering how that works, go to one of those videos. So we will go through, we've created another number of objects, and so here we go. Student is instance of parent, and that is true. Person version 0.1 is instance of person version 0.9, and that is false. But person version 0.9.1 is a class of person version 0.9. What this means is that we can determine the difference between a class that is an instance of a class, and we can also determine that if a class follows the same class, it's the same namespace. It might be a different version, but we're still within the same namespace. So here, this is true. Okay. We also have the ability to set a system property. So here we're going to set a value to foo. And we show that we get it back. We have foo. Here we're making a super call, so we will go through this, and we will go to the teacher's aid. So that's going to make a super call to a parent class. So I just want to verify here. So here's we were in here, and here is this function is going to make a super call in its inheritance chain to the function call to person. And here is the call to person function in the parent's parent. And we go there. And now we're going to show that we have logger. A logger is built in. You'll notice that from the resource object that's passed into the resource unit, you can simply make a logger by giving a fully qualified name, and you get a new logger. And we will show here is a log being run, and so there we are, and we will actually log. Default logging is to console, and so there.
You have just seen a video on some of the additional features of the JSRevolution framework. Stay tuned next for the final video in this series on the JSRevolution build tool.